next few minutes, you will be given an eye-opening look behind the closed doors of modern farms, hatcheries, and slaughter plants, revealing the journey that animals make from farm to fridge. You cut into their skin and rip out their testicles. Next, the workers chop off their tails, head with a steel rod, hung upside down, and have their throats slit. They are killed within hours after hatching. Male chicks are typically thrown into giant grinding machines while still alive. This practice is deemed standard and acceptable by the egg industry. Another killing method is to drop male chicks into trash bags to be smothered or suffocated. Pain and even fatal heart attacks. Sick or injured birds often have their necks broken.
Oh my god.
Others are clubbed to death. Those who live alive, but not necessarily unconscious. They are then pulled across a blade which slices their throats, causing blood to pour from their necks. That humans can have the milk instead. The majority of today's dairy cows are confined on factory. Here, a worker cuts off a cow's tail, slicing through her sensitive skin, nerves, and bone without any peel. A farm worker stabbing cows with pitchforks, beating them in the head with crowbars, and punching baby calves.
Oh my god.
And water hosed in the mouth and mutilations without painkillers, including castration. Pressure can rupture their swim bladders and pop out their eyes. They are then tossed on.
That was really sad.